How do you avoid the home inspection blowing up the entire real estate deal? I'm Shelley Holtz with the Holtz Group of Keller Williams, and we recently had a buyer who made an offer contingent on a home inspection, and it was time to have the property looked at by the home inspector. Now, at the end of the inspection, they get the full report, and they were surprised to see all the pages that were involved in that inspection report. So here's the key thing that we want all buyers to be aware of. Inspectors are paid to find things, not just things that are wrong with the home, but also maintenance and recommendations on how to properly care for that particular property. So there may be pages in that inspection report, but that doesn't mean there's pages of problems. The key thing you want to look for is 3 categories. If you find something wrong within one of these 3 categories, then it's time to lean in and pay attention. Number 1 is if there's any mechanical issues with the property. So plumbing, electrical, appliances, or the mechanics like HVAC. Something's not working there, it makes sense to be asking for that to be repaired and addressed. Number 2 is if there's any structural issues with the home. We all expect the home to be safe and sound and not have any issues structurally. So if there's a structural issue, definitely pay attention to that and lean in to negotiate on those items. Third is if there's a safety or health hazard. Mold, asbestos, radon, anything like that can be surprising, and it's common to get those addressed and negotiated as part of the home sale inspection contingency. Outside of those 3 categories is usually just general maintenance and or recommended maintenance to do as the homeowner when you move into the property. So don't worry if you have pages of recommendations. You're looking for what are the major things that could be wrong with the home under one of those 3 categories. And if you want to avoid costly inspection items popping up surprising you as a home seller, reach out to us. We'll let you know what to look for to avoid those traps in negotiations. Our phone number is 651-998-9829.